Only open your mouth and eat. Only you are stressing me. Wait, the way you are lying down like this, do you like it? If you eat, you take your drugs and you get better in time. Only open your mouth.
Only over. Brendo, how is your body?
Getting better.
Brother, he's refusing to eat. And if he doesn't eat, I can't give him drugs.
Me take your drugs. Eat me. Take your drugs. Ayeme, please, I'm very, very hungry. Please, can you make something for me to eat?
Brother, are you blind? Are you not seeing that I'm taking care of my husband? I'm trying to nurse him in full health. And you're asking me to go into the kitchen and prepare food for you. As what now? Your wife or your slave?
So because your husband is sick, I should not eat?
As far as I'm concerned, in this house and in my life, the only priority is my husband. Whatever you want to do with yourself is none of my business. If you are hungry, go into the kitchen and help yourself.
I should prepare food for myself.
Okay, it's your business. Or open your mouth.
Babe, why are you people shouting now, Make something for them to eat. Let them eat now, babe.
Only you are stressing me. In fact, everybody in this house is stressing me. I'm trying to take care of you. I will advise you to take care of yourself too. Even for your brothers, they're only after themselves. They don't care about you.
How
is your husband? How is it faring? His condition is getting worse. Getting worse. Issy, please, my friend, I want to ask you something. All these years in this marriage, what have you achieved? How do you mean? To start with, who is your husband's next of kin?
That should be his father.
And his father is no more. Yes. Meaning his elder brother is his next of kin. Yes. You see, you don't have a child for this man yet. You see, do you know that if anything happens to your husband today, you will lose everything? Your brother-in-laws will not even allow you to take a pin from this house.
God forbid, nothing will happen to my husband.
God forbid. It's not a matter of God forbid. You see, this reality. As a sharp babe, I expect you to know what to do, you see. At this time and era, you don't know what to do. No achievement. You've not gotten anything. No house, nothing, no business for yourself.
You know my husband is not doing bad. He's actually doing well for himself. So my own work here as his wife now is to support him and grow with him. So we build a good future for us and our kids in our name.
That is it. My friend. You see, use your head though. You see, use your head. You better use your tongue and count your teeth.
Ayemedo, we know fully well that my brother has a lot of landed properties, which is not in our family's name, nor in any of our name. Please, we want you to bring those documents. And as the eldest son, I'm supposed to be in possession of those documents. And also, all his bank accounts, I want to be part of those signatories of that account.
Did you just listen to what you just said? My husband, your youngest brother, is critically ill. Instead of us to come together and look for solutions on how we get better, you are here asking me for landed properties and signature. Do you hear yourself speak sometimes?
What did he? Are you deaf? In case you know your thing, my elder brother will ask you. If they ask you, say, my brother properties, where our name not there or our family name not there, maybe provide that you talk about it, they mad. See, failure to bring those documents, come, the body to carry more for this house, I swear to God.
No, because they carry big body or they pump, they forward till you know bill. I first don't say that time you go take, your true character go come out. So you come this time to come dig gold when you know put abi, gold digger.
I'm ashamed of all of you. I'm very disappointed in every one of you. Are you even his elder brother? How do I even find myself in this family? In case you are forgetting something, let me remind you. My husband is not dead. He is very much alive.
I always tell him he's always putting family first. This love is too much. He should come and see the love that the brother are showing him back. If only they can just show 2% of the love he showed them. He will not be in this situation today, but he will not listen to me.
Madam, all those your crocodile tears nothing move me. All those your wild tears nothing move me.
Very wicked man. I feel black.
You love my brother past me. I mean, you love my brother past us. Come, madam, all the accounts. How much they inside?